My Jeep looks like it's got a little afro. If its snowbank's taller than the garbage can. That is insane. It's almost as tall as me, and I'm 6'4". So, just to give you an idea, I did quite a bit of shoveling today. And it's still a mess out here. Looks like somebody was climbing through the snowbank and over into there, but kids are having fun. Trying to give you an idea of the snow. But luckily, we have 2 plow vehicles. Actually, including my neighbor up the road, there's 3 plow trucks. There's nobody around here, so worry about it. I got 4-wheel drive. I'm loving that. But